Hi, we're Team 5 Guys. Our goal is to identify the factors for success in education based on students' decision in Elm City Story. While 166 students play the game, they encountered numerous simulations where they have to make decisions. If they complete missions in a stack, then they are able to move on to the next challenge. We have found a unique correlation between the game achievement and the students' behavior pattern. This is the completion rate. Approximately 20% of uncompleted players utilize the fact that they would be in the section of high risk adolescent. Since the given data set contains every single choice that user has made, we had to rake the redundant data. Since a single activity is consisted of multiple redundant logs, we made a concrete rules based on event ID to reduce the size of the original data while minimizing the loss of information. And we were able to compress the 95% of the original data by categorizing into 6 different activities. With the first trimmed data set, we gathered up the user's whole activity into a single row. We basically focused on the time spent for the activity and the total number for the same activity. Therefore, we normalize those parameters respectively and apply the principal component analysis called PCA. PCA is a dimensional reduction technique that provides a capability for handling high dimensional data. We have selected 3 dominant features that we might think might affect the students' success in education, and by applying PCA, we were able to find 2 principal components which are orthogonal basis vector of the dimension. Then we can take advantage of k-means clustering. Since we split the data set into 2 groups, we chose our k values to be 2. From this algorithm, we could get the 2 groups of data set that is determined by the clustering algorithm. In this aspect, it is important to see the similarity of the groups, which tells that the selected features are crucial and hence forms a valid relationship between them and the student's game completion. This is the k-mean clustered graph with our compressed data. The blue nodes represent the success of students in Elm City, while the red nodes represent the failed students. By comparing the original data to the identified data, we can say that the number of checking epilogues and the number of stack accesses would be the main factors that can affect the student's completion in the game. Therefore, we can conclude that there is a strong relationship between students' decision behavior and completion of the game. Lastly, we greatly appreciate sponsors for this event. We utilize optimized tool for data manipulation.